Hello, Karen Carter here, and this is a little remodel I'm working on in Mexico. Construction practices are slightly different or vastly different than a lot of other places. Thought I'd show you a little bit. These little styrofoam little things that hold the ceiling up between the beams, and the layers that you put on for waterproofing. No drywall. Nothing can possibly get on fire or hurt with flooding. This is just holding up the beam. It'll be glass and aluminum right there. Anyway, just thought I'd share the progress of this very skinny piece of property and what we're going to do with it. So this is a great before picture, or a little bit during actually. And yes, I think you'll be surprised when you see the after. We're going in the original house right now. I'm going from the back of the property to the front, just to give you an idea of the long walk all the way to the street. This house will be torn down. It's not structurally sound to renovate, so it's going to have to come down. Yeah, these are the pieces in the roof. So, what do you think of this remodel? Look at all the concrete that this place will be made out of. More roof things. This is typical of a Mexican remodel / build. Nothing too abnormal here. And once you let go of what things should be, life rolls a little bit easier for you. So this property had to be taken down because look, it sits lower than the street. That is not a great feng shui position to be in. So we're going to raise up the land, which the casita in the back is already raised up. So this property will be raised up in its entirety. And this house will be gone and a new one will be there. So get ready.